study the Lab 1 of the Communication System course. This is the final part of the Lab 1. This is a circuit built with two operational amplifiers, 741 IC. The input sine wave signal with the voltage of 5 volt and 1 kHz is given. And then the output of the first circuit will be the square wave. And then square wave is given to the input of the second op-amp amplifier, which will then generate the triangular wave. First, we will set the positive and negative saturation voltage. You just need to simply put the power supply into series mode and then change only one of the voltage. You can see here both positive and negative change at the same time in series. You need to connect the positive end of one channel and negative end of the other channel to make them into ground, so that you are left with only positive and negative in each channel. You can place the connected power supply in the middle to the ground. Then you can connect the negative to the pin number 4 and positive power supply to the pin number 7 of the IC. Let's give the input sine wave to the circuit. Here the input is at pin number 2, which is the inverting input. So you can connect the negative end of the function generator to the ground. Positive end to the pin number 2. First, let's check the input signal with oscilloscope. So I connected the input signal to the oscilloscope. Since we have two op-amp, we will first measure the output of the first op-amp, which will give you the square wave. Here you should see the same frequency for sine wave, square wave, and triangular wave, but the amplitude are not the same. And then this is the output of the second op-amp, which convert the square wave into the triangular wave. Since my circuit connection is not that great, you can see some noise here. You can also sample the frequency using this knob so that you can see the frequency more properly. This is the end of the lab number 1. See you in the next video.